Hey beauties, it is your girl, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, I am trying some things out. The Balm was nice enough to send me a package. By the way, this video is not sponsored. They just asked me for my address because they wanted to send me some things. And I said, hell yes, I would take them. And I saw that they just came out with a new set of bronzers. Comes in 3 shades. Let me just show you the shades that they have. All right, so it comes in 3 shades. It comes in Oscar, Tony, and Grammy. Here they go. And I was surprised to see that they had this kind of shade for, you know, us melanin infused girls, because we don't really get bronzer like that or whatever. So I was really excited to see that, and I wanted to try it out on camera for you beauties to see what it is about. So yeah, they also sent me some other stuff that I will be trying out in the video. So if you guys want to see how these bronzers are and everything else that they sent me, stay tuned. Oh, before we get into this video, shout out to 2 people. Let me just let y'all see this. They're a part of notification game. You feel me? And I didn't get to tell them the last time and the time before that. So y'all, this notification game, wish good. All right, bang bang. Anyway, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and enjoy. Okay, guys, I'm coming back yellow as ever. Face is basically done. I don't have any contour or anything on. And eyes are not done. That is because I am trying out some things that I got from the Balm Cosmetics. So they sent me a package. So one, before I start this is not a sponsored video. They just sent me the products just because, and I decided I wanted to try them out. So they sent me the Mary Luminizer. This is, I've seen this a lot of times on YouTube on lighter skin tones, so I don't know about that on me. They also sent me some mascara, a liquid eyeliner. I've seen this before, the matte lipstick, and then they sent me their new line of bronzer. So what I think I'm going to do is my eyes first. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyes first. Alright, eyes are primed, and I used the 24-hour primer from Smashbox. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with my eye, I think. So I'm gonna use my Makeup Geek eyeshadows for my eye look, and I'm gonna use the mirror from my Mary Luminizer. This is cute. It's just really light for my skin tone. I'm gonna mix it. Cocoa Bear and Creme Brûlée, and that's going to be my transition shade. I'm gonna follow with this shade, which is Cherry Cola. That's going to deepen up the crease area. When I'm deepening up the crease, instead of me looking down in the mirror, I actually look straight, and I try to just get the crease as defined as possible. Then I tilt my head back and I start to blend. That's how I usually know where my crease is. Trying to get through this eye real quick. So then I'm going to go into the darkest shade, which is Americano in this palette. That's gonna go in the outer V, and I'm gonna blend it a little bit into my crease. So I have a bit of concealer on my hand from when I was carving out my brows, so I'm just gonna use the same brush that I use for my brows and the same concealer, which is my ABH concealer, and I'm just going to carve out a semi-cut crease. So I'm picking up a little bit of Cherry Cola. I'm just gonna blend where that concealer is and that outer corner eyeshadow meets. So I'm gonna use my Mary Luminizer as my eyeshadow, my lid color. See what that be like. Oh, okay, pretty. It's pretty. Ooh, it's even nicer when I drag it. Okay, beautiful. But looking at the color, I feel like it would be a better eyeshadow on me than it would be a highlighter. So let me just, you know, work on this eye really quickly. All right, eyes are on. And I remember that they sent me eyeliner. I wasn't gonna do a wing, but I guess I am now. So this is the Schwing liquid liner. And when I swatched it, it is a matte black, which is really, really cute. It is not waterproof. If anybody's looking for that, that's not what I got from it. But it is felt tip, and I actually really and truly hate felt tip liners. But I'm still gonna try it because I'm a trooper. With felt tip liners, I feel like I cannot control the brush or the tip as well as I can control a brush eyeliner. And I kind of feel like I'm poking myself in the eye. You guys, I think it's cool. I think the liner is cool. It's matte black, and I really like that. It dries down really matte. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. So far, so good. The liner doesn't look bad. It's not blotchy. It does skip a little bit, but that's because of the way the skin on my eyelids are. But it is a pretty good liner. I would use it. But of course, like I said, I would use my usual Morphe liner underneath first, and then I would use the liner on top to give it the matte look and also set it in place. All right, so I finished off my eyes so that we can focus on the rest of the stuff we need to focus on. So well, I didn't fully finish it off. I have mascara to put on. They sent me a water resistant mascara. This is called the Scuba mascara. So I'm going to put this on. I already looked at the brush on this. Like I said, guys, I swatched things and stuff like that. I'm loving the small brush because then I could definitely use it on my bottom lashes, and that's what I care about more when I'm putting on mascara, because I put on mascara after my top lash. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling this brush. It hugs your lashes, and when you pull down, like it just like pulls them down like they're trying to like elongate the lashes. Like, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so on to the good part. All right, so on to bronzers. So they have 3 colors of the bronzers. They actually sent me 6. So I don't know why they did that. But yeah. So it's Oscar, Grammy, and Tony. Just grab these Tonys. So it's Oscar, Grammy, and Tony. So here are the 3. Of course, this one looks like it's the darker shade and it would fit me because these 2 don't seem like they're going to do anything for me. So I'm going to try out Grammy and see what that is like. But this claims to be a anti-orange. Ooh, there's some kick. Bronzer. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing over here. I'm seeing a little something, a little shum. You guys see what I'm seeing? I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's not doing much, I guess I could say. Now I'm seeing it. I'm always gonna see it on my forehead first. I'm trying to see if I see it on my forehead. Are y'all seeing anything going on right now? I'm trying to see if I see anything going on. It said it's anti-orange though, and I don't know. I don't know if I'm seeing anything. I'm confused. What is on my jaw? Because I feel like with this, you kind of have to pack on the bronzer in order for you to see something. And it's also giving me a bit of a contour. It's not bad. Now that I'm actually like packing it on, seeing a little something. Do I look bronze to you guys? Do I look a little, not sculpted, but have a little dimension going on? Do you like? Let's see a little something. I am still gonna contour because I can't help myself, but I'm not gonna do it as much. I'm just gonna use the same brush, like the edge of it, and just get rid of it in here. I'm really liking it. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm kind of feeling the bronzer. Now that I'm actually looking at it, I do see like the bronziness is not overbearing. I guess because I'm so used to like a super orangey thing going on, and I'm not seeing it on my skin. It's like making me uneasy. But now that I'm like looking at my skin in the mirror and I contoured and everything, I see it better and it looks good. So let's just finish off. Let's try the Mary Luminizer and see what that does to us. Yeah, I am super scared of the Mary Luminizer, but I'm still gonna try it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go over this with another highlighter. I don't feel like this is something for my skin tone at all, but you know, to each his own. If you like this and you're my skin tone or deeper, you know, do your thing. Just gonna take a little bit of my Aunt Jackie and, you know, just top that off, you know. You ain't gonna have me out here with no ashy highlighters. Okay, so I am back, and I just threw on a tank top, of course. So now I'm going to use the lipstick that they sent me, the Meet Matte Hues, and this is in the color Devoted. From the top, it looked like it was supposed to be a pink, but it is actually a blue red. So I'm not lining my lips with anything because I want to see the true color of the lipstick. So yeah. I'm gonna let this dry down and then I'm gonna try another layer on top. And it has like a minty feel to it. Like right now I feel like I'm rubbing a candy cane on my lip. The lipstick is cute and it is definitely forgiving, but I'm not a crazy fan of red lipstick. But alright, so this is the finished look, guys, and I must say the Mary Luminizer as a eyeshadow, perfect. As a highlighter, unless you're gonna go over it with something else, then otherwise just use it as eyeshadow, because I really like the color as an eyeshadow. Like, if I had it in a smaller size, I think that I would bring my Makeup Geek eyeshadows in that as like my everyday palette on a trip, because I will wear the same eye all the time. Most likely I won't even wear any eyeshadow. The liquid liner, pretty good. I did not see it move or anything, so that's really good. The mascara, love it, love it, love it. Love the brush. I love how it tugged at my eyelashes and elongate them and made them look fuller, even though I have nice full bottom lashes. The bronzer, yes, I will use. It's not crazy orange, but then you still look bronze. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but my skin looks popping right now. The lipstick, I'm not crazy about. It's red lipstick. I feel like I rubbed a candy cane on my lip, but you know, it is what it is. But all in all, it was cool. You know, the Balm, you're cool. The mascara, I will love 1,000 of them because I really, really love the mascara. The liner, if it wasn't felt tip, I would be all over it like white on rice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on this review on everything that they sent me. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. And if you have not yet, hit that subscribe button. It's right there. It's that cute picture of me. And then check the latest video. It was a Q&A with me and Babe. Yeah, we're really boring, you know, but still check it out. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.